Why stainless steel sinks are a smart choice for your kitchen remodel. Dear friends, remodeling your kitchen involves many different decisions. From choosing the perfect countertops to selecting the right appliances, it can feel overwhelming. However, one decision that should not be overlooked is the choice of your kitchen sink. With the advancements in modern design and technology, stainless steel sinks have become a popular choice for homeowners. In this video, we will explore why stainless steel sinks are a smart choice for your kitchen remodel. Durability is one of the key advantages of stainless steel sinks. Unlike other sink materials such as porcelain or granite, stainless steel is known for its ability to withstand high temperatures, resist corrosion, and maintain its appearance over time. This durability ensures that your sink will continue to look and function as good as new even after years of use. With a stainless steel sink, you can confidently tackle any kitchen task without worrying about damaging the surface or causing unsightly scratches. Stainless steel is a hygienic, non-porous material, meaning that it does not absorb water, bacteria, or any other substances. This makes it easy to clean and maintain, reducing the chance of bacteria or mold growth that can lead to health issues. Additionally, stainless steel's smooth surface provides no hiding place for dirt or grime, making it a breeze to keep your kitchen sink spotless and germ-free. Furthermore, stainless steel sinks are incredibly versatile in terms of design and style. They seamlessly blend in with any kitchen decor, whether you prefer a modern aesthetic or a more traditional look. Stainless steel sinks come in a wide range of sizes, shapes, and finishes, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your kitchen remodel. Whether you have a small kitchen or large open space, there is a stainless steel sink to suit your needs. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, stainless steel sinks also offer practicality. The material is highly resistant to staining, making it an excellent choice for busy kitchens. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.